All right, everybody. For those of you who watched yesterday, this is wild lettuce part two. We are going to harvest some of this wild lettuce. I am going to keep it simple, and I think that's the best way to do this, always 100% of the time. I just trim a little off, and you can keep it just like this. You see how I trimmed it off? You see the lacticarium? Don't worry about harvesting that stuff. It's going to stay in the herb. You're going to dry it out. It's still going to do the same thing. It's still going to be there. One of the bigger ones there. Now that you've trimmed them, you can do just the plant. Once you've cut it off, if it has flowers like this, if it has flowers, you need to cut off the flowers. Get rid of them. You're not going to throw them away, but just put them aside. Here's the plant. It's been cut, harvested. So, what do we do with it now? Good question. Hang on. Welcome to the Elder Herb Shop. Here's the store. Here's the shoestring method. You can hang them from a wire in a shoestring. It takes a long time, about a week. Not the best option for humid conditions. Food dehydrator is also another option. You can put them on the food dehydrator. You make sure they don't overlap too much, otherwise it won't get all the way dehydrated. Some people don't like them, some people do. It just depends on your personal preference. Once it's completely dried, after a day or two, I usually just put it in a mason jar and just leave it sealed in a cabinet out of the sun. That's the best way to go about protecting it. You can also put it in a vacuum seal bag and vacuum it. For the flowers, freeze them and then bring them out as you get ready to use them. I'll also be doing videos on how to make lotions and all that later, so that's coming. So in regards to this, we have a Patreon account, and it's the Herb Guy. If you could follow my Patreon account, that'd be great, because I'm going to start taking the money that I get from that, buying seeds, so we can start doing more herb stuff. And the more I can get, the more I can show, the more we all learn. But if you have any comments, leave them down below. Please give it a like and a share if this helped you. And feel free to leave a comment or ask on my Q&A any questions. I'll try to get back on a verbal video. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.